Hello friends, this is another uncut video. I will upload very soon because we don't have really time to making some videos.
Oh no.
So I'm not cutting this video now. So I was now busy with the sheep. I drove there with my bike, or I bicycled there. Or how are you saying this?
Yeah, bicycle.
Oh, I'm still learning how to
bicycle
talk
works.
English.
Yeah, I got this shirt for like $5. I'm in the boat club, so I'm always sweaty and stuff. So as many shirts possible. This is good.
3 a day at least.
3, yes.
Because in the morning he's doing exercising, in the night and over day.
There's sheep in the morning, so the first 2 hours of the morning is the sheep.
Oh, what was this? Oh,
everything's a mess. So yeah, so I didn't get to do the sheep this evening, but I made her dinner instead. But yeah, the first 2 hours in the morning is sheep, and yeah, you gotta pet them and everything else, and after your clothes, I don't know, you have to change after that though. Very sheepy though.
Very sheepy. Yeah. So what are you making for dinner now?
So I took from your garden. I got eggplants, tomatoes, onions, and the cheese.
Maybe you should put on some light, huh? It's a little bit dark.
It's very dark in here.
Okay, this is better. Ooh, it looks very nice.
Yeah, see better. So yeah, eggplant, and then here is actually more the same, but this one has mushrooms in it though too.
But they are not for my garden.
The mushrooms are sadly not from your garden. I am sorry.
But the exciting thing is I ordered some mushrooms. But not the actual mushrooms. I ordered some, what are you calling it? Sperms?
Spurs. They're not sperms, but I would assume the same thing. No, it's a spores.
Spores, yes.
Yeah, mushroom
and
spores.
The only problem is I don't know how I can get wood now for the mushrooms. But yeah, this is the next project I want to do.
Where I'm in the US, you just take an axe and go out into the woods and just take down the tree.
You can't do it here. Yeah. So yeah, it smells very nice. So you put some cheese on it.
Have you had eggplant before?
Yes.
Oh, you have?
We are calling it aubergine. This is a nice word. Eggplant, it's like, I don't know, I don't like it. Eggplant.
Yeah, it doesn't sound like great.
It's not an egg. It's a very nice fruit. So it's like a purple color.
Yeah. Have you ever seen an eggplant? What it does though is it like shrinks into nothingness if you don't use it very fast.
Yeah, but
so this is fresh. I just picked it and cooked it. So it's 40
very
minutes
excited.
old.
Yeah, I think you should try it now.
Yeah, I think so too.
What's yours? This one or?
Yeah, this is yours. I gave you the 2 best pieces I saw.
Okay, now we are taking you now with us for dinner because I can't edit this video now, so we have to keep talking.
Oh no. I didn't actually test what it is though. Like for all I know I didn't season enough.
But how do you know how to make it now?
I have no idea. I haven't made it like this though. But you have to wing things.
Yeah, now this is very interesting if you're growing all your vegetables in the garden. You can search for a lot of garden books, you can search a lot how you can grow your vegetables. But the problem is, what are you doing with all the vegetables after this? So yeah, you have to find recipes.
Or be creative.
Yes, so...
Oh no, I originally saw a picture of this and I was like, I'm just going to go, I looked at the picture and I'll see what I could do.
Yeah, so you're taking now the eggplant. Now first your reaction.
Okay. Oh my god, that's really good. You have to try it. Make sure.
Okay, it's a little bit warm, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a little hot. You kind of grab most of the eggplant. So she grabbed most of the eggplant and nothing. I think she forgot to get a tomato and stuff, but
Is it good?
Very good. So with a little bit of cheese on top. Wow.
It's too hot.
Oh no, it's...
I think it's called eggplant because it tastes a little bit like eggs.
Yeah, I guess maybe.
But the outside is a little bit hard structure and inside is very soft. I really like it. Wow. And it's tastes so fresh. So I eat always an eggplant from the store and it tastes, I don't know, not so juicy.
Yeah, it's very good.
So yeah, so our garden recipe for today is grow eggplants and then you are cutting the eggplants in pieces. Put there some, what is it? Some big
A slice of tomato on top, and it has a
cheese,
little bit of extra virgin olive oil too.
olive oil, and these are the onions you got, huh?
Onions, yes.
Spring onions?
Yeah, I call them scallions. Yes.
Scallions. And yeah, you can do cheese or you can do an egg. Isn't
Yeah,
it?
you can put an egg on it.
So if you have your own chicken in your garden, you can put there an egg on it. Ooh. So that's it, and you can eat some bread with it or nothing. You
Yeah,
have only
bread.
This, huh?
So yeah, this is a little bit like close to if you can't eat lasagna because of the noodles are too unhealthy, go with this, and this is a little bit like a lasagna to me.
Mm-hmm.
So
That's
you know what
true.
lasagna is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. So this is my version
Lasagna.
of
Mm-hmm.
a super healthy lasagna.
Yeah. And actually, with all the juice, it makes you very full, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So you have a lot of
I
food
did-
in your mouth, and it tastes very nice.
I just took that bite. That's awesome there.
But I also like always something to have with it. Like a potato or rice or next time
She
pumpkin.
loves potatoes. So.
No, next time I think if you make smashed pumpkins,
Yeah.
is it calling like
Anytime we eat something, if I make it, she's like, this would be good with some potatoes.
this? Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
So the last days I was just busy with cooking all the potatoes in jars. Is a good word?
Yeah, jars.
Jars, yes.
Yeah.
Because I harvest them too early. And I couldn't leave them longer in the ground, so I have to harvest them. And how you can store all the potatoes, most of the time I'm putting them in the basement. But the problem was they get all inside a little bit, what was it? Like dirty inside, so
Mm-hmm.
not very healthy, and you couldn't...
They were turning bad.
Yeah, and we couldn't store them for the whole winter in the basement. So what I was thinking, I'm just cooking them now, and then I don't have to cook them for the winter. So saving time in the winter, but a lot of time now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
He's not believing that it's
No,
working.
I believe it. I'm really tired all the time. So after this time, yeah, it gets really... I have to look at it, pretend I have a watch on. No, I have a Fitbit over here.
How many steps are you doing today?
I don't know. Today was a light day, though, but still over 10,000 every day.
But
so.
this is not light. This is actually a very active person.
Mm.
But here on the farm it's light. That's true. Mm-hmm.
Mm. Mm. But I didn't do the sheep this evening. Instead, I got to cook dinner. So.
But you were in the garden. Because my rule is you don't go to the grocery store if you're hungry. You have to go to the garden and harvest some food.
Mm-hmm.
So first doing some exercises.
Yeah, so if you have to get your food, you have to go outside to the garden.
Mm-hmm.
It's very good. I love the tomato, too. It's a really big,
Yeah, so-
rich tomato.
And it's
really
very
sweet.
strong taste, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's just the worst if it's worth it. Yeah, if you grow your own vegetables, even if you have a small balcony, you can just grow some potatoes. And the species of this potatoes is an
No,
Russian?
tomatoes, not
Oh
potato.
yeah, sorry.
Tomatoes.
Yeah, it's a Russian
This is
tomato.
Russian?
Yeah, it's
Okay, this is really sweet. I don't know.
Walilovsky.
I like it
yeah.
already.
So I put it in my gardening book with the potatoes video. If you want to look it up, Vladivosky tomato.
That
Yeah.
sounds Russian. Yeah, it's very sweet.
Okay, now that's it for today. We wish you a very nice evening.
Yes,
We
have a
just want to
beautiful
say
day.
hello, and yeah, next days videos are coming out.
I have a
Hopefully.
lot to do. I recorded so much stuff and tons of stuff, but now I have to sit and edit. But then it's like, oh no, sitting down and editing feels raw.
Yeah, so we are just busy, but you will see it in the next day. Have a good day. See each other in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.